It's your birthday and you should have everything. A pearl necklace, a pretty bluebird that sings. And I can't afford any of those things. But who needs things? The more that I think, you know, the more that I dream, I realize that money can't buy everything. So money can't buy everything. I love you. Every time I say I love you, it's like you wonder if I'm speaking the truth. But girl, I'm honestly in love with you. Head over heels for you. Everything that we need is all right here. How many times have I told you, my dear, all of this love, what could I feel? Whoa. I wanna know your thoughts, I wanna know your dreams, I wanna know why you spend your whole life with a guy like me. I wanna be your everything, I wanna make you smile. You know, I'll do whatever it takes. I will walk 1,000 miles. So tell me all your thoughts, girl. Tell me all your dreams. Tell me, is this life I live with you as perfect as it seems? As perfect as it seems.